Today I will teach linkage, crossing over and chromosome map. This linkage concept was predicted by Sutton in his chromosome theory in 1903. And from his theory, we also know that the genes are carried in the chromosomes and the number of genes are more than the number of chromosome pairs in an individual. So, each chromosome bears many genes, and also in independent assortment theory, which is explained by the chromosome theory, where we also saw that the genes on non-homologous chromosomes shows independent assortment. So the genes which are present on non-homologous chromosomes are non-linked gene. So here question arises, what is linked gene? Linked genes are located on the same chromosomes and they inherited together is known as linked gene. So all the genes which is present on a same chromosomes, and when they transfer from their parent to their progeny together, so these genes are known as linked gene. So their tendency here, the linked genes has tendency to inherit together, and the character which controlled by that genes are also known as linked character. And this phenomenon, that the inheritance from their parents to their offspring, is known as linkage. So it is the phenomenon. Linkage is the phenomenon of inheritance of genes together and to retain their parental combination even in the offspring is known as linkage. This linkage concept was elaborately explained by Morgan in 1910, but this concept was proposed by Bateson and Punnett in 1906, and they performed a experiment on a dihybrid experiment on sweet pea plant, where they found that in test cross progeny, the test cross ratio which is found in Mendel's test cross, that is 1:1:1, it is deviated. They had observed the ratio 7:1:1:1 instead of 1:1:1. In their on the experiment, Morgan explained the linkage concept. Bateson and Punnett explained this concept as coupling and repulsion hypothesis. First, we explain the experiment of Bateson and Punnett. They perform a dihybrid cross where the color of the flower is purple and long pollen grain. It is the dominant character, and its recessive character was small red and round, red flower and round pollen grain. In F1 generation, they found a purple flower and long pollen grain containing flower. When they test crossed with a recessive progeny of parental progeny, then they found a group of long purple flower, purple round, red long and red round, where the combination was 7:1:1:1 ratio. These progenies are parental progeny, and there are a small number of recombinant progeny they found. In that cases, they concluded the alleles coming from the same parent tend to enter the same gamete and to be inherited together, and this is known as